Global Plant, we respect your business. Introducing our tire processing unit by Global Plant, designed to efficiently cut tires into manageable segments. As you can see, this tire is extremely large, but yet it could be still easily mounted onto our tire cutting equipment. Our blades are razor sharp, effortlessly slicing through even the largest tires, while user-friendly controls require minimal effort. Our equipment sliced through a 4.2-meter diameter tire with a 1,470 millimeters profile width in just 40 or maximum 50 minutes. Next, the tire pieces move to the conveyor belt for further processing. Exactly this line has two different conveyors because it has two different shredders. Once loaded onto the conveyor, the tire chips enter the primary shredder. Our equipment are built with grade 45 steel, the toughest in the industry. That is why every part of our equipment made for years of operation without any breakdowns. The shredded material then advances to the secondary shredder, where it's refined into even smaller particles. This two-stage shredding process is why we use dual conveyors, ensuring smooth, continuous operation. We design our machines to be energy efficient and, of course, to swap parts in minutes. And now let the separation begins. Metal cord is magnetically extracted. Textile cord is removed via special magnetic screens. As a result, pure rubber crumbed without any contaminants. Finally, the crumb sorted into sections, leaving you with ready-to-sell high-purity rubber granules.